The world of AI art thrives on innovation, but what fuels this creative fire? Meet Samson Vowles, a trailblazer exploring the realm of AI and artistic expression. His YouTube channel, Delightful Design, is bursting with vibrant content and insightful podcasts. Samson's journey with shorts began as a daring experiment to expand his reach. He quickly discovered that short-form content significantly amplified views and engagement. But there's a secret to this success, a remarkable tool known as OpusClip. The journey to OpusClip started with a simple email offering to create shorts. Curiosity led him to uncover OpusClip, a remarkable solution to streamline video creation. Rather than paying for edits, Samson chose to harness this powerful tool himself. With OpusClip, he transforms lengthy tutorials into engaging shorts that capture attention. Samson emphasizes that OpusClip complements rather than replaces his editing team. His editors focus on refining the final touches, ensuring quality and coherence. Statistically, shorts have accounted for an extra 10% of his views this month. This boost has spurred a new strategy, leveraging short videos across multiple platforms. OpusClip has inspired him to rediscover short-form content with renewed energy. The true brilliance lies in the blend of creativity and practicality it offers. What keeps audiences engaged? Samson's unique voice and lively conversational style. He crafts content that is both entertaining and educational, using humor as a tool. His advice for aspiring creators is to embrace imperfection while finding their niche. Connect authentically with your audience and add your unique spin to every creation. Ultimately, creativity has no bounds, and the journey of exploration is just beginning. For those ready to dive in, remember, innovate, engage, and let your personality shine.